Kilo 2, Kilo 3, Echo Delta Mike.
Kilo 2 station, come back with a call sign.
Hi Jim, it's Andy again, K2ADA, and I have made my adjustments and have found my EQ on-off switch, and I'd like to give it a try.
All right, are you on or off right now?
It is flat now with no equalization.
Okay, I would take 2 clicks, roll on the bottom end. I would roll off 2 clicks on the bottom end to start.
Okay, now I have used the settings that we had discussed before with the roll-off, with the compression and the mic gain. What do you think?
Talk to me for just a little bit.
Okay, this is with the EQ in. It's a roll-off on the bottom. The mid-range is flat, and an emphasis on the high end. That's with EQ in. And this is with EQ out. This is with EQ out. Go ahead.
All right, I would leave EQ in. I would roll 2 more off the bottom end. EQ in and roll off 2 more on the bottom end. Let's hear where you go.
Okay, stand by.
This is Kilo Charlie 9 Victor, Kilo Victor, and the Friday afternoon Qso-Vlog program. And we're checking out some audio here.
Alpha India 9 Romeo.
Standby station. Alrighty, how are we doing on the EQ there?
Okay, now I have rolled off 3 more on the bottom end. Go ahead.
All right, and your 3 or 4 clicks boost on the top. What is your EQ on the top?
Stand by. It is all the way, I only have a 1 to 10 on the top, and it is at 10. And the base frequency that it's starting with is at 2400.
Okay. Take a look at your ALC and make sure you're at mid-scale on your ALC.
ALC is at mid-scale.
All right. And talk to me a little bit more.
This is with the EQ at 2400. I can change that EQ starting point at 24 or go up or down from there.
I would take it at 25, center point at 25, Roger.
Okay, 2500 center point.
I think you got it. Just talk to me just a little bit and tell me about your antenna for just a second.
Okay, the antenna is a step IR with the 40-meter trombone element, so it's a rotatable dipole on 40 meters.
Roger, Roger. Okay, and one thing left would be the windscreen. Get that windscreen in there, and that'll just tidy you up real nice.
Okay, Jim, thanks so much for that. I really appreciate your help. I think it's a big difference. I can tell in the monitor that that kind of low resonance that was there when we started is missing, and it sounds good in the monitor. Of course, it'll be more revealing when I hear the recording.
Roger, Roger. Okay, and one more time, slowly, phonetically, on the call sign, please.
Kilo 2 Alpha Delta Alpha, and the name is Andy in Ocala, Florida.
Roger, Andy. 3's that way, sir, and we'll check next Friday if you get a chance to check in, and we'll see how everything's going. 3's for now, and have a good afternoon and evening. This is KC9VKV standing by.